Good morning, my good friends at Trade Ideas and people who are interested in dynamic market action. What I'm showing you right now is me getting ready for tomorrow by replaying the volume race. In other words, I'm seeing where did the most unusual volume take place and what did it look like. So I'm at 8:55 a.m. on Friday, which is West Coast time, and I'm looking at these stocks right here, and I've already added them to my wanted and watched symbol lists, and I can just see what's going on here. So lots of pharmaceuticals are still in play, and look at the volume here. Again, you can tell unusual is relative to the stock. So for this one, it's a lower volume stock, so it's 6 times normal, only 203,000 shares versus a 5 times here at 2.7 million, and HGEN 5 times is 6.59 million since we've started watching. So this is how I am able to be in the plays before everyone else, because not only do I just see the names, but I have this feel for how they were pushing the volume here. Okay, and these are the critical names that you want to pay attention to. These are going to be the things that are in play on Monday. This is your way to view it, and we are the only ones that have it. Please visit us at www.trade-ideas.com. Subscribe, and you will be in the advantage player mode, because nobody else replays the market for you as it took place except for Trade Ideas. Enjoy.